Okay, so in this video we are going to see if citric acid will clean the tank. So I'm going to use 1 cup. It's a 2.5 gallon tank, and I'm going to dump a cup of citric acid in there. This particular brand, doesn't really matter, and we'll see what happens. I'll just grab the lid and we'll see what it is initially. Alright, the bottom's not so bad. The sides are, and I did test the water. So I do have these iron testing strips. It's only for iron, not for any other chemicals or particles. And what I found was the well was right at about 2 parts per million, barely. And then after the house filter, I could see a spot or two on the strip, and then out of the refrigerator we have a chemical filter on the refrigerator, and that thing was just white. So I really don't have a bad iron problem, but it is staining the toilet, and it looks like the toilet has to be cleaned once or twice a year. Now, there are 2 places where the water can exit. One is through the top here, and that'll go around the rim and into the tank and out. And then also the handle. That's a square hole there, and unless that is completely plugged up, you just can't fill it all the way to the tippy top. So I'm just going to fill it to where it normally goes. So let me drain the water first. Turn it off. Drain the water. I'm going to put 236 milliliters in there, 1 cup. So here's my 1 cup. I'm going to kind of sprinkle it in here. There was no chlorine tab. I would have removed it if there was. And we'll just kind of sprinkle that in there. And then I have a couple of gallons of warm water, and I'm going to use that to agitate it with. And now we wait. I'll come back and do a shot every 15-20 minutes. Alright, well, I was going to go play a game of War Thunder, just an arcade battle, 15-20 minutes. And I was heading back there and stopped by and looked in here, and crap, it hadn't even been 5 minutes and it's almost cleared out. So anyway, I'm going to go play a game, come back, see what it looks like. Okay, I am truly amazed. Now, I used to use hydrochloric acid, so I am totally amazed that the citric acid works so quickly and just thoroughly clean the tank. I mean, I didn't even scrub or anything. That is like a wow. Let me get in there a little better. Okay, so what you see down there at the bottom are just pieces of debris. So here, let me stick something in there. Now, I did not scrub. And so I'm just doing this to show you. Well, I thought it was debris, but it's something on the bottom of the tank, which I will figure out when I flush it. So I did not scrub except for what you see here, and that's kind of like a tire brush for a car. And if you try this, then you know I'm telling you the truth. That's why I didn't lie or exaggerate or BS or pull some tricky little stunt. No, I just did exactly what you saw. Put the citric acid in there. Went and played a video game. And there's the result. I am totally shocked and amazed. Alright, so let's do a... Oh, I have the water turned off. Now, I do have a slight ring there. I could probably really go after that ring if I wanted to. There are some debris. There is some debris in there. What's going on here? Little spots here and there. Probably in the camera. I'll know in editing. Wow. That is just thoroughly amazing. Alright, well I think I can afford a cup of citric acid once or twice a year in the toilet, clean it up. Totally amazing. Alright, little bonus material. Here's our other toilet, and I'm gonna dump it in there and see what happens. Real quick, show you a little before and after. Okay, here we go. Citric acid, 1 cup. Just gonna toss it in there. Put a couple gallons of warm water in there. The camera, it's my way of agitating it. There we go, let it sit. There we go, nice and dark. Also, I can't take credit for this. I actually watched some house cleaning videos on YouTube, and that's where I got the idea from. Testing it out and testifying that it works. And it works great. Let's see how this cleans up. Alright, getting to a wow moment. I mean, no stirring, nothing. Just emptied it, dumped the citric acid in there, filled it up with water, end of story. Didn't stir it or nothing. Alright, well, that's my video. Thank you for watching.